How we doing, everybody? It is Larry here again for Leoy Systems, and I'm going to show you today a recipe for a great simple breakfast or even midday snack, if you will. Easy to make, pretty good taste-wise. That's going to vary depending on you, and just overall, it's an easy thing to do. My 13-year-old son happens to love this, so it makes my life a lot easier for either breakfast or an after-school snack for him. We use store-bought ramen, which, if you've seen my other video of bulking on a budget, I like to use ramen. Being part Asian, and my kids are, their mom is from Taiwan, so we do eat a lot of ramen in this house, and I also make my own. So, with that said, I do a lot of recipes with it. But this one is very simple. It's store-bought ramen. You boil water, you pop it in, you make it up. It has nice protein in it, some carbs, which again will vary on depending on you, on what you're interested in. And flavor is always going to vary on what you're interested in. We do a little bit of soy sauce at the end. I have seen sriracha being used, like some hot sauce. So it's up to everybody. Okay, you know, it's a dish that can be easily changed based on what you want to do. So sit back, relax. We're gonna send you through it, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. Now, just to go over a recap, I use regular top ramen, which I got from Costco. You can get it bulk order, big old box for like $5-6. Like my other video, I use the styrofoam cup one, but this happens to be better. Now, I only used half of it for one serving, because that's pretty much what you should be doing. You shouldn't be eating the entire thing. As you notice, I used one egg, scrambled that up, tossed it in, little salt, little pepper, mixed it with the ramen noodle, which had the chicken flavor mix with it. Toss that together, which, if you want to do a measurement, it's about 42.5 grams of the noodle itself after everything. So it's roughly half. According to the package, it says 85 grams is 1 serving, so 42.5 is a half. Total calories for this entire thing with 1 egg and the scallions and everything, that's the green stuff I added at the end. It's also called green onion if you see it in the recipe. It's about 278 calories, about 26 grams of carbohydrates, give or take, 12 grams of protein, but the sodium is a little high. It's about 1,000 grams, a little over 1,000 grams, 1,000 milligrams. Oh my God, can you imagine 1,000 grams? 1,000 milligrams of sodium. Little water retention there, so you gotta be careful with that. Just drink a lot of water, hopefully flush yourself out. Just don't do that very often throughout your day, okay? This is gonna be part of my nutrition coaching program, as well as my newly certified fitness chef program. So any questions, comments about recipes and anything, please let me know. This is what I do. Like I said before in the beginning, this recipe can be changed however you'd like. If you want to add a little soy sauce at the end for flavor, you can. Just remember, it will increase the sodium. If you want to add anything, if you want to save some of the chicken broth from this, because it gets drained, and add that at the very end, that's fine too, because that's just water. But anything can go. If you want to add some hot sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever floats your boat, you can do that, and the flavor profile will change based on you. So, you have any questions, you have any comments, please shoot them down below, or you can email me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. But again, this was less than 300 calories, okay? And that's a good breakfast, that's a good afternoon snack after a long day of school or a long day of work, whatever the case may be. There's alternatives, okay? It's really not that hard. We don't have to eat perfect, but we just have to eat better. 1% a day. That's all we gotta do. Change your habits 1% a day for the better. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. There's gonna be a lot more of these recipes, things coming to you. Again, any questions, let me know. Feel free. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. The more I can do this, the better it is for everybody else. So, thanks again. Have a great day. And I love you guys.